Hey guys, we're at the workbench here with a prototype of Feniex's new module sinker. This is a total lifesaver for anybody installing Feniex lights. This will allow you to set the master, slave, and pattern for any Fusion T3, Widelux, or Canon. In addition to the needed module programmer, you'll need an Apple device, and you can download the free module sync software from the App Store. So your first step is to connect it to the Bluetooth, which I've already done. Next, you want to choose your product. In this case, we're going to be working with a Fusion dual color. So now we can do a wide variety of functions. We can set the master and slave. So let's give that a whirl. So hit it once. 2 blinks means it's in master. 2 additional blinks means it was set. If we hit it again, it'll blink once for slave. 2 more blinks to let us know it's saved. We can set the pattern. And then a new list is going to pop up that allows us to select which pattern we want. So with this light, there's about 40 plus patterns. So you'll see it's quite extensive. But if I pick one from the list, let's just do steady on, since that's the easiest one to identify, and press go. It's actually going to start scrolling through all of the patterns as if I was taking the blue wire and touching it to ground. So it's going to continue to run. Like I said, there's 40 patterns, so it's going to take a minute or two. But it'll continue to run through it until it gets to that steady burn pattern. So it's done now. Now I can test it by holding the button down. You'll see it's on steady. Confirms it's set. Some other functions we can do are scan the patterns. So if I just press this button, it's going to start scrolling through the patterns, again, as if I was changing the pattern on the light. If I decide I like one, I can just press stop. Now that pattern's going to be set on the light. Another option you can do, advance pattern. So if I just want to skip ahead a couple of patterns, advance 1 pattern, advance 5 patterns if I want. And lastly, also available on the app is the wiring for the specific product that I chose. So because I chose earlier the Fusion dual color, I now can see the wiring, which will help me to wire up the module programmer. And how the wiring on this works is just simple power and ground. Then you have three wires here that come out. Your yellow wire is for your mode. So when I'm setting this light, obviously it has 2 modes. So I'm going to need to set the slave and the pattern for each mode. So right now I'm working in the yellow mode. I can also connect to the red mode, mode 2. Blue wire connects to the blue wire, and the black wire connects to the black wire. Very simple, very easy to use. Great if you're going to be installing a bunch of lights. As you can see, it just scrolled through those patterns relatively quickly, much easier than I could have. So that's basically how it works, and it's going to save a lot of time. So keep in mind it doesn't work with any smart products though, so anything like your Fusion sticks, light bars, etc. Let us know what you think. These should be available for purchase in the coming months. Thanks for watching.